Kalanggaman Island. Isn't this wonderful? Good morning, I'm waiting for the boat to leave. This is the information center. Here are the boats waiting for the people to leave. We entered the boat, San Francisco, and now we start. We are leaving. Finally, it's 500 peso extra for the boat. Kalanggaman Island, the most beautiful island of Leyte. This is the province here. Island here, like we have seen yesterday, is only a mangrove island. They are very nice. Oh, the ocean is really calm and we have a wonderful weather with old ships. Now the island is about 10 kilometers away. This is the island already. After 1 hour we arrived in Kalanggaman Island. Very nice weather, sunny morning, really good sun. So this is the famous sandbank here behind. The background we see our boat. They picked me up at 2:30. Oh, isn't this beautiful? A boat in this tropical paradise island.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye. You to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you, realize. Love is you,
And I
realize.
arrived to the final Kalanggaman Island.
Make you feel, make you feel, make
Isn't this wonderful? Wow.
you
Oh, it's so
Stay here, lady, I
beautiful.
need you, girl. Save me, lady, I need you, girl. Baby, come on, baby. Just to my world, talking to my eyes, oh. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady, I need you, girl. Save me, lady, I need you, girl. Come on, baby, let's go party. Time to let it go. You are my only you, girl, my baby, girl.
The island is long, so I want to walk all this. It's more than 1 kilometer long, the island.
Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you, realize. Love is you, realize.
A really beautiful vegetation here. Look to this. I love this place.
Stay here, lady, I need you, girl. Save me, lady, I need you, girl. Baby, come on, baby. Just to my world, talking to my eyes, oh. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady, I need you, girl. Save me, lady, I need you, girl. Come on, baby, let's go party.
to this tree house. Let's see how is the view from here. So the island has two sandbars, and this is the other one. Now this is the view from the other side of the island. Also nice. The water is really flat. It's a really big area with totally flat water. Here in these cabins you stay overnight. It's also interesting. And they look like this. Interesting. Showing what is inside a bit. So now I will have something to eat, which I bought yesterday. Kalanggaman Island has also a church. Fish. So the ships are leaving. So finally we had to change the boat. Now we have a new boat because our boat is defect. Here behind the motor did not work anymore, but no problem. New boat. Finally they pull our boat behind, leaving Kalanggaman Island. Oh island, you are so beautiful. So soon we are back in Palompon. So my lovely friends, I love you so much. I do this for you. Please thumbs up, and when you like the video, recommend it to other friends. Bye bye.